Thomas train.
He got a new one.
Alright, I'll help him. This one, whoa, this one has a lot of tape.
Dominic, you like it?
How can Dominic take off the bows? Dominic, can you show me how you take off the bows?
Hold this. No, Dominic, hold this. Hold this.
Where'd you order the cake from?
Gordo's.
Dominic, hold this.
Where's the
Hold it.
cake?
Hold it.
Mommy,
What, honey?
do you want me to open? Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Dominic, open the big one now.
No, I want to help him with that.
So I'll help him. So?
We can both.
Yeah.
No, it's my time. Dominic. Dominic!
Hold on.
A big Thomas station. Oh my gosh.
I can open
Oh,
the
happy
bag.
birthday, Dominic.
Happy
Big giant Thomas.
birthday.
Wow, you got a lot of Thomas stuff. And big Thomas train, a little Thomas train, and look.
Look, you got a track, Dominic.
Look at this whole thing,
Train
Mom.
sets. Wow, that is amazing.
Mommy, open
No,
it.
don't open it.
Mommy,
Don't take it out.
Okay.